3 ways people in their 50s and 60s are making money from home to fund their retirements. Double tap if you find this valuable and don't forget to save it for later. If you're looking for a simple way to make money online from your phone, here are 3 simple steps that are helping people earn between $100 and $900 a day without working all day. Number 1, you promote in-demand, done-for-you products. No need to create your own products. Just focus on promoting what people already want. Number 2, use an automated system. The key to working less and earning more is automation. Let the system do the heavy lifting while you enjoy your life. And number 3 is to maximize your profit per sale. The right products pay you per transaction, so you make more money with less effort. Hi, I'm Paul, and the best part is that you can do this from anywhere with just your phone. If you want the full details, comment yes below or follow the link in my bio. Follow, like, and share, and subscribe.